Alrighty, so I've had a lot of people ask me, what is this connector for on a 2017 Ford Fusion? I finally figured out it is a inline wiring harness. And these two wires that you see here are the power wire or a fuse wire that goes to the ABS. Then you got some extra wires in the bottom. Got a total of 4 wires, but it only comes out as 2. Well, I got the wiring diagram here. And all it is just your CAN bus wire, high and low, and just a fuse wire. So as I got to looking, that wire is specifically for like the ABS module and the cruise control for your radar sensor. So I'm looking at the wiring diagram, HS2 plus, minus. These number 25 and 26. 25, 26. So if you were to add radar cruise like I did, you can run the 2 CAN bus wire however you want through here. And what you'll need to do is find out the 2 wires that's not being used, which will be the 2 inner ones. And you can use that to tap into your CAN bus system so the car will see it on the network system. And then you'll just have to add your power and ground wire. I don't think, in my opinion, I would use this as a power wire, because that fuse is a high amperage fuse, I think. I don't remember what size fuse it was, but that fuse is for the ABS module. Fuse 25 is going to be underneath the box here on the bottom end. That goes to your ABS. So you just have to find a different fuse for the cruise control module and just make your ground. Then you can run your 2 CAN bus wires with terminals, and you can just tap it into this slot over here. And with mine, with auto stop and go, I believe they call it, you'll need 2 more CAN bus wiring. And that will run from the radar module. I ran mine through along here, underneath the ABS module, through the firewall. I tapped into that CAN bus module, or CAN bus wire, for the actual camera on the windshield. So if you guys talking about the camera, what's the camera on the windshield? That's if you have lane departure system. So it uses the camera on there, and it uses your radar module for the stop and go. But if you have just regular radar cruise control, you can tap into this connector here for your radar cruise.